Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Uh, hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hi. Guys, today a lot of things about auto companies, specifically about Mahindra has talked about EV, and this one, auto industry flags Mexico as there is Mexico is planning for a tariff hike from 20 to 50%, and the Indian exporters will have a hit on that. So specifically, Maruti's name has come into it. Tata Motors and Hyundai has not the name has not come in the newsletters, but I'm not sure whether Hyundai exports to Mexico. But yeah, I know that Maruti has a big share. In this news also, they have written that it is almost one-fifth of their export is to Mexico. So what are they saying that Mexico is typically the government is increasing the tariff for the non-FTA for a free trade agreement countries. So India is not into a free trade with Mexico. So probably some short softness on on the auto industry. Specifically, Maruti is down some 1% today, approximate. So this was one news. Ashutosh, would you start with your news? Very good news about sorry about the Starbucks.
Yes, sir.
Ashutosh?
So, sir, there was a meeting held between Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekaran and
Hmm.
Starbucks Global CEO Brian Nicol regarding a change in business model for Tata Starbucks India business. So, sir, the global strategy for Starbucks is it generally operates in large stores, roughly around 3,000 square foot, and has a premium pricing of rupees 400 per cup, which targets around 700 cups daily. But however, this strategy is not aligned with the India market, wherein the customers are relatively value oriented, and also high rental costs are posing challenges to the business. Coming to the Tata Starbucks in detail about the company it it has reached a total stores of around 492, and it operates under the out of home segment, that is the non-branded segment of Tata Consumer Products. The non-branded segment accounts for 11% of the company's total sales, uh, wherein the 7% of the total sales are from Starbucks India, uh, and it has a revenue of around 1277 crores. However, due to the challenges of high rentals, the company is undergoing losses of rupees 136 crores.
Ashutosh, you don't post regularly, correct? You're not there on the call regularly. You don't attend the evening calls as well. The way you are speaking is not is like a not even a BCom guy speaking like this. क्या बताया तुमने न्यूज़ में मुझे बता. What should I do with this news?
So, sir,
Starbucks
major
CEO Brian Nicole, Tata Consumer Leadership Son, Tata Son Chairman Chandrasekaran last week discussed potential. Even if I hear this now, I will straight away reject your न्यूज़लेटर. इतना सब तुम एनालिस्ट हो या जर्नलिस्ट हो कि उन्होंने जो बताया वो बता रहे हो? कौन हो तुम?
analyst, sir.
क्या बता रहे हो ये फिर? उनका नाम क्यों है तुम्हारे न्यूज़लेटर में? या तुम उन्होंने जो बताया वो मुझे बता रहे हो? That I've already read at 4 a.m. in the morning. Again at 11 a.m. you're telling me the same thing. Then why should I even hire you? Even talk with you. Forget about hiring you. And the way you have spoken, no connecting dots. कुछ भी कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. क्या था ये न्यूज़? बताओ मुझे, एक लाइन में बताओ न्यूज़ क्या था.
सर, कॉस्ट मतलब ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं स्टारबक्स को, और वो मॉडल सूट नहीं हो रहा है जो ग्लोबल स्ट्रेटेजी है स्टारबक्स की, हाई प्राइसिंग की, वो इंडिया में सूट नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि कस्टमर्स आर वैल्यू ओरिएंटेड, इसलिए
तुमने पूरे इसमें
देयर
वो
वाज अ
लिखा ही नहीं है
मीटिंग।
पूरे आर्टिकल में वो चीज़ें लिखा ही नहीं है. इतना ही था ना न्यूज़, इतना ही था न्यूज़. 2 लाइन का न्यूज़ था.
हाँ सर, इतना ही था।
तो यू हैव रिटन ऑलमोस्ट 40 लाइन्स। व्हाट्सएप पे देखोगे लगेगा 40 लाइन का लिखा है तुमने। We are tracking this company. We have we have talked about this companies in the past. I think it is my top pick of Tata Consumers. And तुम जो मुझे बता रहे हो, it has no relation. क्या बोल रहे हो, क्या बोला वही पता नहीं मुझे तुम। No the other on the call knows what you speak about. Then why are you not consistent?
So
Why don't
recently
you
I was unwell in the past week.
you don't come in the evening calls as well? CV बनाया तुमने तुम्हारा?
Yes sir.
ETS फॉर्मेट बनाया?
हाँ सर, ATS फॉर्मेटेड बनाए होंगे।
And why don't you come in the evening calls?
सर थोड़ा इनकंसिस्टेंट था दिस वीक। सर आई विल बी ज्वाइनिंग फ्रॉम नाउ।
And this is why that is why you don't know how to speak. You don't try speaking. किसके बताया तुमने? सीवी बताया? इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग? किसी से पूछा तुमने ना? सीवी बराबर है? विद्या मैम से पूछा? तुम्हारे हिसाब से तुमने बना लिया? फाइन। ऋषिकेश, एनीथिंग ऑन M&M? ऋषिकेश? Yeah. Even Om has a news on M&M. Om, talk about Om. You there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have anything on Mahindra?
Yes, sir. Actually, the Mahindra portfolio has hits the 30,000 plus sales in last 7 months, and their major sellings are on the XAV and BE6 models.
Okay, so what is the analysis?
Sir, my analysis was that the XAV the EV models have, because of the heavy durability, the sales are increased.
You also don't come ना in the evening calls? इसके लिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बात करने को नहीं हो रहा तुमको, है ना?
No, sir. Actually, I was trying to. I have already messaged on that. I have do not. I means I'm trying to connect the evening calls, but it was showing me that you are not registered for that. But I have already so many times I have registered for my
The
evening calls.
registration link have changed now. I have given another registration link in the group.
Okay.
Not active. I've shared that group. Share that link in the group. Uh, Okay. Okay, Ankita, you want to speak on this?
Uh, yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
So actually, I have written the same news about the Mahindra.
हाँ,
So
मुझे go ahead.
Mahindra has sold 30,000 electric cars in just 7 months. So which means one EV is sold every 10 minutes. And many of these buyers are new customers who never owned a Mahindra before, showing the new EVs are attracting the fresh interest in the customer. Also, sir, people like the car because they look modern and offer a good value for money. Yeah, so that was the news.
Okay, fine. Bobby, anything to add on? Can I tell you news again, Bobby?
Sorry. Hello. Yeah. I'll just tell my news. So basically, Mahindra have more than 8,000 crore revenues from the EV from in first half of FY26. So it is leading the EV revenue race. And also, yeah, as adding to it, 80% of the customers have been first time Mahindra buyers only, and the XEV9 is priced at rupees 21.9 lakhs, and at the same time BE6, the starting price is 18.9 lakhs, and is the India's fastest growing SUV due. At the same time, if you notice, the new EV owners have gone up by 3 times since 2022. The direct competitors are MG Motors, priced at 17.99 lakhs, and Tata Curve, priced at 17.49 lakhs. So the what you say, the competitive edge which Mahindra has is they have bigger batteries, they have longer range, and they have stronger performance and more premium tech. And as well, they have the SUV spacious. They have extra trunk design. So basically, this is what is the differentiating factor. Also, when it comes to the move ahead, Mahindra is planning to have around 250 fast charging stations by 2027, offering around 1,000 charging points. So yeah, basically we can say that Mahindra is well positioned to lead the SUV segment. Yeah, that's my news.
And so to sum it up, as Bobby rightly mentioned that they have bigger space, uh, bigger. I mean the charges. They have also mentioned that it has a city charge of 500 kilometers. I'm not sure, but they have mentioned that Mahindra has the highest EV charge of 500 kilometers in the city. The 8,000 crores. So we don't say 8,000 crores, Bobby. It's 800 billion sales because we are always talking millions and billions.
Sorry.
So 800
Yeah.
billion, 800 billions of sales. 8 billion, 80 billion of sales has been recorded by Mahindra. That is 8,000 crores, and it was into half H1 only. So you could have highlighted those that it was only in H1, half year FY26.
Yes, I have written in my newsletter and I said that also. Maybe
Yeah.
I missed. Okay.
Okay, probably.
Sir, also yesterday Mahindra launched a B6 Formula E edition in UK, which is a sports version of B6 electric car.
Yes.
Yes.
And in
So
Bangalore also they are going to launch something like that in 23 lakhs starting from. Yeah.
okay. So they have also mentioned they will come up with not in this news, but the subsequent news that they have will be launching almost 7 to 8 SUVs by FY30. So guys, in the auto sector, there is a lot of things which are happening. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I think Tata Motors also launched Sierra. They are also coming out with the
Yes.
EV part, and that was I don't know hardly 11.9 lakhs. I think they have launched
11.49.
11.5 lakhs.
11.5 lakhs. So I think that is something that is very at the throwaway price. The car looks very safe. So the overall prospect is automakers are coming up into this EV part. A lot of news are coming into this space. People are more preferring SUVs over sedans and hatchback. First time buyers wants to buy SUVs. So a lot of things are going on in the EV market. In the automobile market. So
Sir,
market.
also,
Yeah.
Also, Tata
Yeah.
created a new niche segment, sir. Between mid and high SUVs, they created a premium mid-high SUV. Then between mid and high SUV, they created a new niche segment. They have that was the selling point.
With Sierra, correct? No, with Sierra.
Yeah,
Yes, right. Yeah. So they are breaking up the segment. So there was something on Ola as well. Rishabh, thing on the Ola?
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, I'd like to give a little background about Ola's performance so that we can relate the topic to today's news. So, the core EV business of Ola is in stress. The revenue fell 43% YOY, sales dropped 47% YOY, and the company expect the H2 revenue to be 40% below the H1 revenue. Also, the market share tells the same story. Ola was at 30% market share last year, but in October it fell to 11.5%. Financially, even liquidity is tightening from 4.8 billion cash in March to 1.6 billion in September. Also, one more news is coming up, which is a serious concern. Like 8.3% of promoter stake was encumbered, that is pledged, and there is a increased margin call risk as the stock is falling. It's 53% Y2D. So if the stock falls further, then the promoter has to sell their share to repay debt, or else they have to pledge more portion of shares. So instead of fixing this collapsing core of electric two-wheelers, 𝗶𝗵𝗴 has shifted his attention to new business, Ola Shakti home batteries, that is priced around 1.2 to 1.25 lakh, which is comparatively extremely costlier than lead acid batteries, which currently the market use. Also, Ola has no strong distribution network. No investors has shown interest in funding this. Management though is estimating that they would have 1 billion in revenue by Q4 and 10 billion in by FY27, but analysts clearly say that the battery cell business is extremely capex heavy and need approx 10 gigawatt scale to achieve profitability, which Ola doesn't have. So because of this, investors have been refusing to invest approx 15 billion in equity, and lenders have avoided 17 billion debt plans. So the bigger issue is basically, I can say, leadership focus. Historically, we can see about 𝗶𝗵𝗴's performance. Ola Cab didn't perform well. He went into many other ventures, didn't perform well. Scooter rollout is facing major quality issues and delivery issues. Even then, he's not solving the problem. And now he's coming into another risky idea, which is worse at this time. So the pattern is same every time. So not sure how he's gonna do this. So I'd like to say the whole situation in simple terms. The house is shaking, but instead of fixing the cracks, they're trying to build a new floor on top of it.
Okay, good one, Rishabh. Good insights about Ola. What I feel is, on an analyst point of view, I will say, Rishabh, focus. This is a very good news. I'm not saying it is not, but focus always on the positive side of the company. So this is a negative side, so I will say, avoid only, because if you start and start in the interviews about Ola, he will say, why are you talking negative about a company? Means obviously it's negative, but why are you talking on this company then? The question comes. This was a very good analysis. If I was on, tracking this company, probably I would have, thought of, selling off the stake or selling off my all the holdings. But I personally don't like Ola. Now what is happening is two-wheeler sales are set for record high, and Ola is said to be, having all this problem. So probably at the first stage, Ola is not a company to track at all, because those things are happening in this company. So I'll say, the future part, when you read, you have done a lot of research, but I will say if this was in the positive way, it would have been much appreciated in the interviews. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because we as an analyst always need to talk about what to buy. And I, in my 10 years of careers, never made a sell report. Means even if on a sell report, we will say, okay, sir, the company is not doing good. As of now, you should not look at the company. But then if you come and tell me, sir, you should not look at the company, then Rishabh, why are we speaking in the morning? The question comes. Okay, let's say I have money with me, and you are saying, sir, sell Ola. No, I don't own only Ola. Or I don't own only Ola. So why are you talking on this stuff? Just from a future perspective, I'm not saying it is wrong, it is perfectly fine. But this kind of research, if done in the positive manner, helps a lot, because everyone in the industry wants a new idea, investment idea. Okay. They are like, what is your topic? Now you could have related this with, sir, if I want to buy Hero Motorcorp, let's say you're talking about Hero and you say, sir, Ola is having this all issues. That is why Ola is not preferred in the EV space. That can be said. You can keep this information with you.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Bharat, yeah, Bharat. Anything on the eternal? Bharat,
Hello, yes, sir. Eternal has introduced a cash of 600 crore, 6 billion rupees into Blinkit, which raised the entire cash reserves of Blinkit to 2.4 billion in FN25 until November. With this total cash reserve, the company plans to expand its dark stores to 3,000 dark stores by FY27. Coming to Swiggy, Swiggy has raised 100 billion through QIP and 2.4 billion by selling
Bharat,
the
Bharat,
stake in
Bharat,
Rapido.
when you speak, it should be exciting. Others should listen to you. It is feeling that you are only one talking in the room.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you seem confident, or why are you not clear enough? It seems like you are reading. You also
Okay,
don't
sir.
come in
I'll
the
try.
evening calls, right? You also don't come in the evening calls. You don't attend the group discussion sessions,
I'll
right?
try to come from today, sir.
Today, though, it is fine, but you don't see, coming one day will not help. And speaking on it,
Yes, sir.
I don't see you guys doing it. That is the problem I see. You cannot speak in IB roles. If you want to speak, modeling and reports are not gonna help. AI can also make models and report.
Yes, sir.
AI can also make models. So why will I hire you if you cannot talk with the clients? The speaking is very important. This is the reason we are having the morning calls. You see how Bobby presented. You see how Rishabh presented. But there was problem with Om.
Yes,
There
sir.
was problem with even Ashutosh. This is the problem with you. You are the guys who don't come. I can see that. These are the guys who are always there in the call. But evening call also, see, I'm paying with them. I am just for your benefit. I can also stop that if I want. Because obviously those things have nothing to do with finance. But just because I don't want that problem in the morning call, that is why I've said that, I'm paying with them and from my own pocket, not I'm charging from you guys. The same fees, previously also there was the same fees, today also it's the same fees with them addition. But I want, at least go and speak properly in the interviews. It's not about failing the round. It's about how you pronounce, how you speak. Then why is this? Why I'm doing that call? So I will specifically, put only those people for the interview rounds, even if I get it. Why would even I choose you for interviews?
Yes, sir.
See, as an analyst, in front of analysts, you don't talk about, that models and reports. I teach 500 students. Everyone knows how to make a report and how to make a model. It's not a rocket science. We are here to develop, but I don't see you guys in the evening calls. There's hardly 15 guys yesterday in the call. Okay, Anurag, yeah.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Good morning. So there was an article on the hospitality sector in the Economic Times. It was on the increase in corporate travel in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So basically, up until now, we have seen increase in corporate travel in urban areas in metro cities. But now, tier 2 and tier 3 cities are also witnessing increase in corporate travel. So around tier 2 and tier 3 cities, they accounted for 60% of the overall corporate bookings in the first half of this financial year. Now, the reason why these cities are witnessing an increase in corporate demand is because they are emerging as manufacturing hubs, and they're also better connected through rail and air. Around 50% of this corporate demand is being catered by unbranded mid-scale hotels. Now, branded hotel chains have sensed a huge opportunity here, and they are now expanding aggressively. They've Around 72% of the hotel signings are being contributed by smaller cities, and within smaller cities, tier 3 and tier 4 cities, they account 42%, while tier 2 cities account for the remaining 30%. So we are seeing that the corporate demand is increasing, and and that branded hotel chains are expanding here. They're putting up more and more hotels here. The key beneficiaries that I feel are Lemon Tree Hotels, which is the market leader in mid-scale hotels, followed by Indian Hotels, which operates in the mid-scale segment through its brand Ginger. And also there is this OTA company called Lane Travel News, which is basically 𝗖𝗹𝗹, and Is My Trip, which are expected to benefit. So this was the article.
Okay, great. Again, guys, on the hospitality. So when I was talking about the travel part, if the travel increases, obviously the hospitality chain will boom. And what was the reason, Anurag, for that? I missed out.
Yeah, so manufacturing activities are increasing in tier 2 and tier 3 cities.
Okay, manufacturing activities are increasing. Okay.
And they're given the cities also in the map above. They have mentioned cities like Ashoknagar and Bhilwara. So these are basically textile hubs, and some of them are mining hubs. Hosur, I think, is famous for automobile components.
Okay. Okay, great. Great. So guys, again, every day there is something on the tourism. So guys, I will say work fast, find one stock, at least cover an industry and find one stock in the industry. Probably that will be your go-through for interviews. And you can get all the newspapers from last 3 months and just take all the articles and go in the interviews prepared. Sir, this is what is coming in the newspaper. I'm reading it from the last 2-3 months, and I've done some research. I've made a model. I've understand the company, and now I specifically like a sector or a stock rather, a topic. This is one of the tourism sector. Yeah, Satyan. Good one, Anurag.
Yes, sir.
Satyan. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, this news is regarding Tesla. The company is looking to develop an ecosystem for its electric vehicles, basically to strengthen its long-term sales.
Sorry,
The company
sorry, I didn't get you again. Can you start it again?
The company is looking to develop an ecosystem for its electric vehicles, sir, to
Okay.
strengthen its long-term sales. The
Tesla,
company
right?
sold. Sorry, sir.
You're talking about Tesla, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, go ahead, sorry.
The company sold 109 units since its launch in September 2025. It will set up a charging points at homes of vehicle owners, destinations like malls and hotels, and superchargers in major cities to accelerate EV adoption. The company as a whole delivered 8 million cars worldwide, which helped reduce carbon emission by 32 million tons. This is critical for countries like India because air quality in cities like Delhi and Mumbai is among the worst, leading to many health issues. So, with the upcoming commission of Gurugram charging station, Tesla will operate 4 charging stations across India, equipped with the 16 superchargers and 10 destination chargers. The company launched two important models, Model Y variants priced at 60 lakhs and 68 lakhs. These models are subject to import duty of 70%, making them 30% costlier than which was sold in USA. Sir, also the takeaway is the company has no plans to manufacture their cars locally in India. So
Okay.
the company is betting on EV ecosystem, which was throughout the India to boost their sales.
Yeah, see. So, if I ask you, who is the competitor of Tesla in India?
Sir, it's basically BMW and Audi's.
BMW, Mercedes, Audi.
Yeah, Audi, yeah.
But they are not listed, Satyan, they are not listed in it.
Yes, sir, I understand. But since this news is focusing on the infrastructure, EV infrastructure, so basically India is lagging in those infrastructure in India. So it actually basically benefits other companies like Tata and Mahindra to improve their infrastructure.
Yeah, so Satyan, you can relate those news with just now we talked about Mahindra, correct? It was in the news
Yes,
today.
sir.
You can say that,
Yes,
sir, with this ecosystem increasing, it is, and today, Mahindra's news was already there in the newspaper. It seems that EV is taking pace in India. Currently, I am not sure how many EV stations are there in India, but if this supercharges and Tesla comes up with it, so I think Tata Motors, Tata Power is doing for Tata Motors, Tesla is doing, Mahindra is doing, and even BMW and Mercedes have said that they will be, doing charging stations in India. Plus, government have said that they will ban the high-end cars, high-end petrol cars in India because it is already electrified. So, sir, the EV roadmap looks good, but still in the nascent phase. So, a company to look at, or maybe the sales to look at what is happening.
Yes, sir.
Things are happening in this. Personally, I don't see it on the road. They're saying charging station, but anyone, guys, just just wanted to ask, do you know any charging stations around you and you see cars there?
I see a lot in corporate offices, sir. Wherever I work, I've seen charging spaces.
But how many are there, Rishabh? How many stations are there?
There are multiple, sir. Like around 100 cars can get easily charged. Each tech park, they have at least this much capacity.
Which area you're talking about?
The main Bangalore Outer Ring Road, which is famous for BFSI and IT.
Okay. In Bangalore, okay.
Yeah.
Probably I have not seen here in Pune or in Mumbai. I can see malls having it, but I see only 2 and 3, EV stations there, but I don't see any cars. Because if you go in a mall in Mumbai or Pune, no, it's all jam packed on weekends. If there are only 2 and 3 charging stations, probably the one who reaches first will get it. But I think superchargers are something different. They charge your car in 30-40 minutes. Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Yashika?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My news related to PepsiCo. PepsiCo has entered the premium snack segment with Red Rock Deli chips priced at 60 to 125, taking on brands like Beyond Snacks, 2 and Opta chips, making a shift from its low price range, which is starting from 5 rupees. This shift is significant because Indian organized snack market is surging. Chips are now among the fastest growing food categories because Indian consumer now pay more for premium packaging, want new experience, new flavors, new technologies, new texture, and they are now for more informed, health conscious, and willing to experiment across price points. PepsiCo launched Doritos Nachos in India in 2015, now available price point is starting at 10 rupees. With rising competition and pressure in mass market categories, FMCG players are shifting towards premium offering from high-end ghee and chocolate to gourmet snacks. With Marico, Imami, and ITC also expanding in new age packaged foods. In metro markets such as Gurgaon, premium snacks have over 50% market share on quick commerce. In India, Varun Beverages manages PepsiCo's beverage portfolios, and with PepsiCo's premium snacking push, the upcoming quarters could potentially support margin improvement for the company. That's it, sir.
Okay. So guys, the snack market, there was one more news, Yashika, on the business line about Wipro getting into this snack market. I'll show
Wipro.
you. Wipro, yeah. Wipro consumer, I'll show you one. So they have mentioned the snack market, this one. So they have mentioned some
Sir,
size of 45,000 crores in the snack market in India, and it is, as you said, currently it is growing at a very high pace because of premium products, probably because of the premium products.
sir, Wipro is also entering into pet food market, sir.
Pet food?
Pet food market.
Acha, okay, okay. So guys, there was a lot of news in the, so today now I was going through all the news. See, you can see this over here. ET now is open, Business Standard is open, FA is open, Business Line is open. Probably, I go, even I forgot to take that Mend. So I read this all. So when you read this all, probably your knowledge at some different level. And the same time, if you put it into, your analysis or maybe in interviews, this helps. So I am doing this from last, 8 years to just see what what kind of knowledge is gained just by reading newspapers. So I can clear the interviews apart from my technical knowledge, just based on what I feel. Okay, so it is always a good thing that you should have this all things in your laptop or maybe in your mobile phone. So Financial Express and Economic Times, you get it for free. Business Standard, I have given you that Telegram link, but probably it is not working now. But if you have any Telegram channels, you can get that, or maybe spend like 3 rupees per day. You can get it. It's actually useful. Okay. I think we are
Sir,
done
I
with
have a free link for Business Standard. I'll share it to you.
just share that. Okay, guys, anyone else? I think we are done with the news. Okay. Okay, guys, then we'll
I have a
stop for today.
question related to location of the hotels. So those hotels who near the railway station, we can mention the near the railway stations. Those are not near the. Yeah.
We can. Yes, can.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Satshan.
the channel you mentioned, Telegram channel you mentioned, latest use the all newspapers, like Business Standards also it is coming, and also Economic Times and Financial Express, everything is coming. Live Mint. You mentioned the channels.
No, sorry, I didn't get you. I mentioned so.
You told no, sir, that recently it is not working, but I am using that channel only, sir. Yeah, Telegram.
It's working. Then Meera also sent you that box.
So paper comes too late, sir.
Yeah, around 8 o'clock. Yeah.
It comes at 8. Sorry. I usually get it. I have a subscription, so I get it at 4, 5 a.m. in the morning. But उसके लिए पहले उतना तो चाहिए उतने बजे to get it. The one who gets up early morning, it's okay to have a subscription. I will suggest. I have personally taken that when I was in college. I have asked mom to give me 3 rupees per day just to read that newspaper, but I have to read it. So Rishabh has sent some link in the Business Standard link. If have, I can also share it in the group. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Can I connect you for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Sir, just one question. I was preparing financial models. So how many years past I have to prepare, and how many years forecasting?
See, past is expected to have 10 years of numbers.
Okay.
Now, if let's say 10, because now what happens, 3-4 years, there was COVID. So 5 years data has no meaning. The last 10 years, and then forecasting for 5 years. Forecasting is totally fine. 5 years. See, we have to talk only about 1 year forecasting, but 5 years is just for DCF. That's it.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay,
Sir,
guys.
shall I call you?
Yeah, call.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I just want to discuss something. Can I call you post this call?
No, just talk on this call only. Don't call because everyone wants to call. Then once again, I'll just stop the recordings. Others can leave, if